The evolution of the Volkswagen Golf, the iconic hatchback that has been setting standards in its class for almost 50 years. The first Golf was a real revolution and replaced the legendary Beetle. Giorgetto Giugiaro's stylish design, front-wheel drive, fuel efficiency, and comfort made it the perfect family car. And the GTI version gave the world its first truly mass-market hot hatch. The second generation became more spacious, safer, and more reliable. This is where the synchro all-wheel drive, diesel versions, and an improved GTI line appeared. The Golf II became a car for millions, proving that a hatchback can be versatile and durable. The third generation brought more technology and safety, airbags, ABS, and reinforced body protection. For the first time, a powerful VR6 engine appeared, bringing the Golf closer to the business class. It was this Golf that cemented the model as a symbol of versatility and reliability. The fourth Golf is considered a turning point. Minimalist and austere design, improved interior quality, and the highest assembly standards. It was with the Golf IV that the iconic R32 version with all-wheel drive and a VR6 engine appeared, and the car itself became a benchmark for competitors. The fifth generation received a new platform and significantly improved handling. The interior became more spacious and comfortable, and advanced electronics appeared. The return of the Golf GTI was a triumph, proving that the sports hatchback was back in vogue. The Golf VI looked evolutionary, but inside it was a serious step forward. New sound insulation, modern safety systems, improved interior materials. This Golf became a symbol of practicality and reliability, winning numerous awards in Europe. The seventh generation was built on the MQB platform, which made it lighter and more economical. Hybrid versions of the GTE, the electric e-Golf, and the powerful Golf R appeared. This model combined innovation dynamics and comfort, becoming one of the most popular generations. The modern Golf VIII is the digital era. A fully virtual dashboard, intelligent driver assistance, and new turbo engines. The Volkswagen Golf has become not just a car, but a symbol of an era. It has been chosen by millions of people around the world.